Hey everybody, so as you can see here, I have been put on bubble chat for a day due to violation of the Animal Jam rules. So, I don't want to bug Animal Jam HQ and contact them, asking them why I've been put on bubble chat, but for right now, I'm just going to assume what I think the reason is behind this. So, I think the reason behind this is I was promoting myself live, and I said too many things that apparently Animal Jam does not allow, like saying that I'm live, I am I am livers, like trying to get it out there that I'm live. So I've been saying that I've been on air now, and I guess they put me on bubble chat for those mistakes that I didn't know were actually mistakes. So yeah, I do have it on my live that I accidentally said things that I guess Animal Jam doesn't like me to say because I was trying to promote myself live. So yeah, basically I've been put on bubble chat only 10 minutes ago. I've been put on bubble chat saying that I can't talk for 24 hours. So tomorrow I will not be able to talk on Animal Jam. That's why I will go live instead. So I'll just talk, but I won't be able to chat in Animal Jam that much. Since I do not have free chat, I only have bubble chat. So right now it is 9:15 p.m. So tomorrow at 9:15 p.m. Bubble chat will be gone. So yeah, I will not be able to talk. Sadly, I'm sorry, but yeah, I just wanted to address that real quickly because I don't want people freaking out tomorrow that I'm not talking like my friend. I don't want her being like, oh my gosh, why aren't you talking in Animal Jam? So hopefully she sees this video today, or at least tomorrow morning. And yeah, that's for everybody who's going to be on my live tomorrow. We are going to be trying to do a giveaway. If we can get enough people, we're going to be doing a giveaway because I reached over 20 subscribers. And I did address that every 10 I would do a giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be a green short. So yeah, if you want to join, all you have to do when my live comes up, just wait for that live, and once that live comes up, just put in your username. I will put it on Wheel Decide, so it is all fair. It is by a wheel, and I will show you guys the wheel while it's spinning. So yeah, if it comes to the point where I need to use my phone, I will use my phone. It's just I would rather use my computer because then you guys could actually see that I'm spinning it and it is all fair. Because if it lands on my friend and is on my phone, I don't want people to attack me saying that it's fake. So yeah, so just join my stream tomorrow. Sorry if I'm not talking on Animal Jam. Sorry if I don't talk to you. So I just wanted to address that real quickly before I get attacked or people start worrying, like my friends start worrying that I'm not talking on Animal Jam. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I wanted to address. Yeah, well, I'll see you guys. I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.